In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,250 in commission just in one single month by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Facebook. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Facebook, how do I find people who are interested to buy those services or products from my affiliate links, and I will share with you new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission like this. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information and those methods that I will share for free. Okay, so anyway, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing business and create an affiliate account like this one, what you need to do first, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. So just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. So what you need to do next is just click over here on join now, and here you go, you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliate account. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good service that you will promote on Facebook to earn commission. Okay, and I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate services that I'm promoting on Facebook, and I will share with you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr and click over here on the search and search for video editor. Okay, search for video editor. Okay, you can search for video editor or search for video editing. It's the same. Okay, so search for video editing, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, like this one. This one is top rated seller. He has 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Okay, and here you go, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see, this seller has 11 orders in queue. People keep coming back. This seller is providing good service for his customers, a lot of reviews. That's really good. I will copy this seller profile link like this. I will go back to Fiverr affiliate account, to my Fiverr affiliate account like this. Let me show you. Okay, and click over here on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, and click over here again, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. So let's go to Facebook. Okay, so just go and open your Facebook homepage like this. Okay, click over here on the search for video editor. Okay, search for video editor. You have here filters. Okay, scroll down and click on groups. Okay, we need Facebook groups. Okay, And here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups about video editor or video editing that you need to join. Make sure to join all those groups, okay? So let's check, for example, this group. Just click on the group that you want to check. This group is public group. That's really good. If we scroll down, here you go. Looking for a video editor. This person is looking for video editor, okay? Scroll down, looking for editor, short, long form video, okay? DM me for more information. This one is looking for video editor. If we scroll down even more, hiring a video editor, full-time and monthly pay. This one looking for video editor. If we even scroll more, need work on professional editor. This one is a video editor, okay? If we scroll down, hiring editor who are this one is also looking for, and you can find a lot of people need professional video editor, okay, and so on. There are a lot of people here searching for video editor, okay, searching for this one, searching for this person. I will do professional video editing, searching for video editor service, okay. What you will do, you will go back to this Facebook group, click over here on write something, you will create a public post. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, you should see over here about this gig, okay. This is his description, okay. Copy this part. I will copy just this part like this. Okay, I will copy this one. This one, I'm professional video editor. This one looks really good. I will copy this part. I will go back to Facebook. I will put this part here, this description. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link from here and I will go back to Facebook. I will put my affiliate link here and here you go. I will click on post and my Facebook and my affiliate link will be published in this group, okay. And people who are searching for, those people who are searching for video editor, they will check this seller. If they are still searching for video editor, they will check the seller, they will buy this service from my affiliate link and they will earn commission, and that's it. If you don't want to promote your affiliate link here, you can even talk with those people, okay. For example, like this one, looking for video editor. This one who is looking for video editor, I will click on his Facebook name. I will click on message and I will talk with this person. I will ask him if he is still looking for a video and professional video editor who will edit his videos, make them more engaging and professional. If he said yes, I will send him my affiliate link, and if he buy this service from my affiliate link, I will earn commission, and that's it, okay. So that's the method that I'm using. I'm sharing this for free, guys, so I hope you guys appreciate this, and just make sure to like this video, okay. Leave a comment, leave a good comments. If you have any question, you leave a comment, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.